Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering the laptop down and unplugging it. Remove the battery if your model allows. Once done, open any external grill or access panel. Use small screws or clips carefully. Why this matters: direct access prevents pushing debris deeper. Use a soft brush to loosen visible dust, then hold the can upright and give short 1/2 second bursts of compressed air from 6-12 inches away. Make sure to stabilize the fan with a toothpick to avoid spinning. Once you have access to the speaker area, gently unclip or unscrew the speaker module following your laptop's layout. Keep screws organized. You'll wipe foam seams and grills with cotton swabs lightly dampened with isopropyl. This dissolves oils and grime without residue. While doing this, avoid pressing hard on cones or membranes. Delicate parts tear easily. If dust is stubborn, a few repeated short air bursts and soft brushing break it up. Make sure all parts are fully dry. You now reassemble the laptop in reverse order, making sure every connector clicks into place and screws are snug but not over-tightened. Once reconnected, boot up and play a test tone or familiar track to confirm clarity. If you still hear distortion, check software, update drivers, disable audio enhancements, and test different volume levels. If noise or no sound continues, the speaker may be damaged. Stop and consult a repair service or buy a compatible replacement module to avoid further.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.